Good day everyone, my name is Miroslav Reiter from Bratislava University of Economics and Management, and I would like to present the topic of my research paper with title Digital Transformation Frameworks in Marketing, a systematic literature review of trends and challenges. This work provides a comprehensive overview of the current state of research in implementation of enterprise digital transformation frameworks in marketing. Very briefly about the content of our presentation and research paper. At the beginning, we will have a look at introduction and abstract of our contribution. Then we'll focus the aims and methods we use in the research paper. We will analyze the result, and the conclusion we will happy to hear your question and discussion. We will look at the recommendation from the result of our research. Paper has classification M31, O33 and L86. We use systematic literature review with PRISMA guidelines. The main objective of our systematic literature review was to investigate how frameworks such ITIL, TOGAF and BIZBOK are used to guide digital transformation in marketing. Today I will discuss the critical role of digital transformation frameworks applied in marketing with a specific focus on emerging research trends and unresolved implementation challenges. I've conducted a systematic literature review and using PRISMA guidelines for scientific article with content of 3 frameworks, ITIL, TOGAF and BIZBOK. I will briefly cover their methodologies, processes and how flexible and suitable they are for types of organization. Each framework brings its own benefits, particularly in improving business processes and managing resources effectively. However, challenges such as need for expertise and financial investment are important to consider when implementing these frameworks. The paper concludes the recommendation for both researcher and practitioner. Previous studies have addressed digital transformation in marketing quite broadly. They often emphasize important trends such as social media adoption, new forms of customer engagement, and the use of data to improve campaign. However, these studies often lacked methodological depth, especially regarding frameworks that would provide structured guidance for effective transformation. In other words, they discuss what was happening, but less about how systematically to manage it. I'm referring to proven cooperative frameworks such as ITIL, TOGAF, or BIZBOK. These frameworks are commonly used in other areas of business, but their application in specific context of marketing has been overlooked. As we discussed in previous section, there is significant gap in understanding how structured enterprise frameworks can effectively guide digital transformation in marketing environments. I will introduce the 3 main enterprise frameworks that form of the basis of research. Each offers a unique perspective and set of tools that can be extremely valuable for marketing teams strive for digital transformation. ITIL is framework for IT service management, but its principles are extremely relevant to the marketing. It emphasizes service quality, process standardization, and continuous improvement. In marketing, this means optimizing process for delivering marketing campaign and managing marketing technologies as services. Important for research is it helps us understand how to standardize service delivery in marketing, whether it's content delivery, customer data management, or campaign automation. Then we have TOGAF, its enterprise architecture framework. It provides a cooperative methodology for structuring transformation across businesses, application data, and technology users. In the context of marketing, this means designing an overall blueprint for digital marketing. Important for research is it allows us to analyze how marketing department can systematically link their strategy with technology and processes. It ensures that all digital initiatives are aligned with overall business goals and not just ad hoc projects. And finally, we have BIZBOK. BIZBOK focuses on business architecture. It offers structured approach to business transformation through value chain modeling, capability mapping, and strategic element. It's framework that ensure technology serves business needs. Important for research is it helps marketing leaders identify and develop the core marketing capabilities needed for digital age. Personalization, data analytics, customer experience management. It ensures that investment in digital are truly support business goals. We will now move on our research methodology. Our methodology is divided in 4 main phases. PRISMA guidelines. For systematic literature review, we began with systematic literature review, strictly adhering the PRISMA guidelines. This ensures the transparency and replicability of our research. Then multi-database search. Our research process was not limited to single scientific database. We conduct comprehensive search across multiple scientific databases, including Web of Science, Scopus, ScienceDirect, and Google Scholar. We use specific Boolean query combining key terms such digital transformation and marketing to identify a relevant publication. This helps us obtain a broad overview of the available literature. After gathering the literature, we perform a bibliometric analysis using a VŠEM viewer tool. This analysis allows us to visualize and map keywords, authorship structures, and publication trends. It helps us identify influential themes, key players in the field, and research gaps. Bibliometric analysis reveal the topics such as artificial intelligence in marketing and personalization have become increasingly prominent in recent years. We also observe an increase in interdisciplinary research combining technological and marketing aspects. And finally, we focus on qualitative synthesis. There we'll analyze 42 selected publications. This phase involves a detailed content analysis focusing on application of digital transformation frameworks, achieve outcomes, and implementation challenges in marketing context. In our research paper, we are interested in answer to 3 research questions. First question is which digital transformation frameworks are most commonly applied in marketing literature in practice. Second question was what are the main thematic trends in digital transformation framework usage in marketing from 2015 to 2024. And third question, what persistent challenges are associated with the implementation of digital transformation frameworks in marketing organization? Let's now move on the more detailed look as how we arrived at the data set our analysis. As I already mentioned, our methodology adhered to strict PRISMA guidelines to ensure the transparency and replicability of our research. At the beginning of our extensive multi-database search strategy, we identify respectable 935 publication. This number represents the total volume of potentially relevant material we retrieve from databases such Web Science, Scopus, ScienceDirect, and Google Scholar. This highlights the breadth of our initial scope. Following through screening process, which includes removing duplicates and initial review of titles and abstract, the number of records was reduced to 286. This step was crucial for excluding irrelevant studies and focusing on the most likely to meet our criteria. Subsequently, we proceed to detail a full text assessment of 55 publications. This step requires in-depth reading and evaluation to determine if each study truly met our inclusion criteria for comprehensive synthesis. Here, the methodology, context, and relevance to the digital transformation in marketing were evaluated. And finally, after all stages of the screening and assessment, we arrive at a final set of 42 studies. And these studies fully meet our inclusion criteria were selected for qualitative content analysis. On the right side, you can see visualization of this process, which graphically illustrates the selection cascade. It's important to understand that each step was carefully documented and justified. Now let's look what this selected literature tells us. To understand the main themes and connection in the field, we use bibliometric mapping. A keyword co-occurrence mapping clearly reveals 2 dense and significance cluster. The first cluster includes technology-oriented terms such as artificial intelligence, AI, big data, Internet of Things, and e-commerce. These terms represent the tools and infrastructure that enable digital transformation. Second cluster consists of customer-oriented terms including digital marketing, customer experience, omnichannel approach. And this focuses on the outcome the technology brings to the customer and their interaction with the brand. The strong ties between these two clusters are particularly important. They indicate key convergence. This convergence occurs in the interface of technology and customer experience. It does just not mean that technology are present in marketing, but they are integrally linked how customer experience is built and managed. These convergences highlight the needs for a robust framework that can efficiently bridge technology and customer experience, and today we will dwell into ITIL 4 and its role in achieving service excellence in marketing. ITIL, or the Information Technology Infrastructure Library, as a globally recognized set of best practices for IT service management, focus on co-creating value for customers. ITIL provides a structured approach to the service management and that's evolved over decades and is globally accepted. It ensures that services are designed, delivered, and continuous improvement with clear focus on value. Now let's look at another key framework that can address many of the issues and provide robust structure for digital marketing transformation. It's TOGAF. TOGAF stands for the Open Group Architecture Framework. It's cooperative and globally recognized framework for enterprise architecture. Although traditionally associated with IT, its principles are extremely relevant for the marketing, especially in environment where digital technologies and data drive strategic decision making. TOGAF helps us create a holistic view of the enterprise and ensuring that all components from strategy to technology are consistent and interconnected. Now we move to BIZBOK. BIZBOK offers specific perspective on value-driven architecture, which is particularly relevant for marketing. BIZBOK is a key framework that helps us structure approach to business transformation, and its core is focus on value creation, which is critical in today's digital environment. This framework particularly valuable for marketing because it connects strategic goals with operation capabilities. These slides visually and textually represent a comparative analysis of these three frameworks. The goal is to show that each has unique strengths and complement each the other, and often they are not mutually exclusive. This comprehensive perspective helps identify not only individual benefits, but it's also the synergies that can perform our business processes. Let's now focus on what is essential for their successful implementation. Let's move on to three critical success factors that are fundamental to achieve real value from marketing operation. These three factors are data readiness, maturity alignment, and digital leadership. They are connected and form a fundamental triangle of success in marketing operation. Ignoring any of them would jeopardize optimization and transformation efforts. Research and memory studies consistently point to direct correlation between the value derived from marketing, AI, and big data, and three key pillars: data governance, data quality, and analytical capabilities. And here is the implication for practice. They are important, and these are with answer for research question. Most used frameworks in marketing, it's ITIL, TOGAF, and BIZBOK, often in hybrid combination, linking service operation, enterprise architecture, and value or capabilities. Thematic trends, convergence of the technology, customer experience, AI, big data, omnichannel customer experience with growing attention to governance and architecture to scale responsibility. And question 3, persistent challenges. So conceptual fragmentation, complexity, and resource needs. integration governance, data readiness, and maturity gaps with repeated recommendations for phases and tailor adoptions. Research direction indicate where gaps in our knowledge are and where we should focus on our efforts. Develop standardized indicators linking digital transformation to marketing outcomes. It's crucial here that we move from general declaration to measurable results. Currently, we have a few robust and standard metrics that would unequally quantify the ROI or ROAS, the digital transformation in marketing. Now let's look at the key conclusion that help us synthesize our understanding of this complex issue. Enterprise framework don't substitute for one another. They address different layers of the same transformation problem. Success requires a hybrid approach that sequence frameworks according to their comparative advantages. This is a really important idea. We often see organizations trying to choose one best framework. The reality is BIZBOK, TOGAF, and ITIL and others are not competing but complementary. BIZBOK helps us define what and why from a business perspective, TOGAF how and from architecture perspective, and ITIL how from the operation perspective. These conclusions and research direction provide us with a robust foundation for further discussion and planning in the field of the digital marketing transformation. We are at the beginning of exciting journey, and I believe that together we can advance of understanding and practice. So thank you for your attention, and I will be happy for any question and discussion. Thank you.